Today we're taking a look at this 8-compartment Cubby Organizer. It's designed to fit the standard 11 by 11 fabric bins, so it works great for organizing toys, crafts, or really anything around the house. The measurements on this unit are 24 inches wide by 48 inches tall, and of course you can flip it sideways so it becomes 24 inches tall by 48 inches wide. That's actually how we're going to use it, and that way the kids don't have a temptation to climb on it. This Cubby Organizer comes in a few different sizes on Amazon. The 6 cubby version runs about $63. The 8 cubby version, which is the one that we are reviewing today, is $80. And there's a bigger one, the 12 cubby unit, which is about $110. For us, the 8 cubby is plenty. We're using it in our children's playroom to keep their toys, arts and crafts, and even some kinetic sand, all nicely organized. It's a really nice piece overall. It's not solid wood, it's more like a pressed wood material, similar to the kind of furniture you'd get from IKEA, but it feels sturdy once it's all put together. Speaking of assembly, the directions were actually very clear. It took us about 25 minutes from start to finish, and that's with 2 of us working on it. It went together super quick, the end results look great, and it does exactly what we need it to. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I'll leave the Amazon links in the description below. Just click on the More tab and scroll down. Everything will be right there for you. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more product reviews. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.